When the world seemed ready to give up, one little girl and her grandma believed in one simple thing: positivity. And what happened next changed an entire village forever. In Sundarpur, life moved slowly. The villagers were often tired and worried, caught up in their daily chores of farming and caring for animals. Even the festivals felt quiet, as if everyone had forgotten how to smile. Reena, an energetic 8-year-old, lived with her grandmother Savitri. With her parents working in the city, Savitri was everything to Reena, her teacher, guide, and best friend. Savitri's smile could light up the darkest days. One day, Reena came home upset. A friend had teased her at school. Savitri said, "Reena, do you know that the way we think shapes our whole world?" Reena frowned. "But Grandma, people made fun of me." Savitri smiled. "People will always try to bring you down, but if you keep positivity in your heart, you can change your own world." Grandma taught Reena to say 3 positive things about herself every morning. 1, I am smart. 2, I am happy. 3, I am loved. Within days, Reena's face began to light up with a bright, genuine smile. Grandma said, "Happiness isn't just for yourself. Share it with others." Reena began organizing play sessions for the village children. At first, they were shy, but soon laughter and smiles spread like wildfire. One day, a shopkeeper looked upset because his crops had been destroyed. Reena approached him saying, "Everything will be okay. Let's figure it out together." His face brightened with hope. Reena and Grandma's positivity had started a chain reaction in the village. A drought hit Sundarpur. Crops failed and worry returned. Reena asked, "Grandma, what do we do now?" Savitri replied, "Now, we put our positive thinking to the test. If we keep hope alive, we will find new ways." Together, the villagers shared encouraging words and came up with new farming solutions. Months later, crops flourished. The village was alive with laughter and energy. People smiled at each other, and Sundarpur became a place of hope. Grandma hugged Reena. "See, positivity can truly change the world." Reena realized that positivity is a small habit with a huge impact. Grandma's smile and wise words had transformed the entire village, proving that hope can overcome even the toughest challenges. Today, Reena and Savitri are symbols of hope in the village. People greet them with smiles, inspired by their story. Reena wrote, "If we change the way we think, we change our life. Positive thinking isn't just a habit, it's magic." And with that magic, Sundarpur became a village full of joy, hope, and endless smiles.